Very happy. And I would say finally they got married. High time.
Yeah, we knew this was coming for a long time. They just had to accept it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Their
you know,
school,
they were in the same school in the class. They both looked at each other once and they realized that they are made for each
No,
other.
she had friend zoned him for quite some time.
Director version.
She had friend zoned him, but he pursued her.
Yes.
And chala beta the hatawadi tarah ho gayi thi.
Yeah, it's been a long journey, yeah. I think you saw the video, right, for the cocktail. Like, we've known each other since, like, high school. Like, we've been friends since high school, and it's been, like, what, almost 18 years now since we've known each other.
About Mukesh?
He's a solid guy.
Yeah,
Solid.
he's amazing.
Solid guy.
I don't think she could have found anyone better than him. He's perfect for her.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Yeah,
And I think that's what she needed to realize.
yeah.
But great guy.
And finally, I think I pursued her, and eventually she understood that, you know, we both are can be good with each other. So, yeah.
We all had a great time celebrating his wedding. I feel it was one of the best moments after a long time because we all live in different countries, different time zones. We hardly get to meet. I think occasions like this is when all of us come together.
I think that was one key thing for this wedding to be like a memorable one for us, because everyone are like scattered around the world, but still they made sure that they could come and attend the wedding. Yeah.
We don't talk a lot, like we don't, you may not see me and Mukesh having those deep conversations every day, but he is the backbone for me.
They're just like really nice, like wonderful people, and like with a big heart. Yeah.
And you know, they've been friends for so long. Yeah, they say friendship is love. So they're best friends, and I'm pretty sure they'll have an amazing journey going forward.
No, I saw the bride.
Why?
I saw the bride. Shubhanka, this is for you. You look so beautiful. You look magical. Both of you. So elegant. Looking like a wow.
Shiva
I've always been like the angry, angry and impatient sister, but she's been amazing. So all my memories with her.
I don't have tears. He's really been there. I can't.
And also, I have to tell this, Mallika has been one of the nicest sisters Mukesh can ever ask.
I think she already knows everything. I think there's nothing in particular that I want to promise on this day. Yeah, it's gonna stay the same. Our love is gonna stay the same before how it was, and that's how it's gonna be. So it's not gonna change. This was just an occasion, but yeah, nothing's gonna change.
Yeah, he does a lot.
Yeah, he does a
He's
lot.
more expressive than she is.
I think his love language is the care he shows. He deeply cares for her, and every small thing he does, you can see that. And I think that's his love language. At least I know for sure that's his love language.
He doesn't want a lot in life, but what he wants, he gets. I mean, touch wood, and I always pray that it's always there with him for all his life. I give him all my happiness as well, and welcome home, Shubhanka.
Just supporting each other for the rest of our lives.
Yeah.
It sounds weird coming out of my mouth to say rest of our lives.